Well, good evening or good morning. 안녕. 오하요 고자이마스. So today is another day. Even before we continue, I want to share today's trading nugget. Practice risk to reward management. Ensure your potential rewards justifies the risk you're taking on each trade. So yesterday I found these other pointers. The key to success in trading is survival, not profits. Profits come as you get better at survival. Another one was, your focus needs to be on executing every single trade your edge produces, irrespective of the outcome. Yeah, beautiful. Switching over to the fundamentals of the news. So today we'll be having on the US currency, US dollar currency, red folders on the core PPI news. That will be interesting. Yeah. In the euro, we are not having anything during the London session. I believe that's the morning session. So the markets will be mostly run with the algorithm of the buyers and the sellers taking their positions. So let's switch to market. So yesterday the market decided to take the half body part buying off on the doji. We managed to take out the buy side liquidity of the previous day previous day, and the market rallied up before it started the push down in the New York session. So the market is continuing to push down on this daily, but it is having some resistance at these levels. And maybe pre-London or London session we're going to have a look at that. Let's switch to the London session, but now is 8:26 a.m. Nairobi time, and going forth to the hour, we see the open of this candle, which has just opened now. We call it the 8 a.m. candle, which is going to close at 12. Yeah, even more wrong. Yeah, it's going to close at 12 o'clock. On London session is the open of the 5 a.m. candle, which is going to close at 9 a.m. It will be interesting to see how the price will maneuver at these levels before it pushes wherever it wants to push. So yesterday we were discussing this area. We were like, if the market will not have this favorable gap, or this area will not hold the market, we will eventually do something like this. We eventually push to these levels and get some support over here. If you manage to break this, you get support. But eventually the market gains support at this level. This level will hold the price, and we created a bearish candle over here, which in turn became a liquidity zone. After this swing highs was taken out, but when the market was pushing up, we never managed to close above the supply. So this week we are just trading off this supply area, pushing down, pushing up, pushing down, pushing up. So on the 4 hour we are having some sort of consolidation, yeah, which means that setups are occurring on the lower time frames. Yeah, switching to the 1 hour. So today we are not having anything, we are just at the equilibrium of the supply area. Yeah, we wait and see, we just wait and see. On the 4 hour, what I'm waiting for is the break of this supply, and we may create, we may have left something here to continue on the push up. Yeah, we have discussed the daily, yeah. The daily, we are still on this supply, man. Also, we can see on the daily we've established a 3 count rule, but we have closed in the supply. Let me just highlight that real. Yeah, that's pretty much it. From this supply over here, we created 3 count rule, but we only managed to close inside. That means this is an invalid buy. Blue means invalid buy. That means we'll be reacting off the sell. Orange there, 2 count orange entry, 1, 2. So this 2 count orange entry, it is not clear enough, so we just have to be patient with the market to do its thing. Yeah, patience. We see what the market will entail to do. So let me not, I said yesterday I will not be making this analysis to be so long. Yes, I wanted to change some of the wording over here. See, the market was, there's a lot of clutter here. So we see that the recount was established from this OB here, but it was invalid since it came inside this bullish order block. So what we're expecting is the break of this order block over here, and then see a retest and then continue pushing down. And that's my expectation of there. Yes, that is my expectation over there. Now I'm switching to the 30 minutes. So we have seen that on the 1 hour and on the 4 hour we don't have a decisive kind of a movement that is willing to tell us what the market is doing, since we are inside this demand, we are having resistance this supply over here. So on the 30 minutes also we don't have anything conclusive. You see we are trading off this demand area, and we are having these supply levels at this level. We established a 3 count rule from this, the break of this demand zone, but unfortunately we never broke the levels, so we just wait. So on the 30 minutes, 1 hour and 4 hour, there's nothing conclusive to tell us what the market is likely to do. Yes, there's nothing conclusive. So not unless we have the break of this order block that we're in, then we may have a retest, continue to push down. Yeah, the thing that we may trade on this on the 30 minutes, this, or we may trade this on the 30 minutes. So again, that means 1 hour, 4 hours, there's nothing conclusive to tell us what the price is going to do. So on the 1 hour, on the 15 minutes, just a moment. Yes, on the 15 minutes, we can see also we are having a lot of demand zones, break of them, and supply zones. Yeah, so on the 15 minutes we see we had a tap of this demand zone, and the market reacted to the upside. Yeah, and yeah, so whatever has been happening has been mostly be occurring on the lower time frame, which is the 5 minutes and the 1 minute. Since here we don't have anything conclusive, just have to wait for the market to price itself. So for us to take buys on the 15 minutes, we will need the break of this supply over here and this supply over here. With the break of no supply, we're expecting something like this, the retest to continue to push up. Yeah, for the sell-off on the 15 minutes, we need the break of these levels, a retest, and then the continue push lower. So on the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, we have concluded that 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours, we concluded that we don't have anything significant that tell us what the price is going to do. Now, switching off to the 5 minutes, just a moment. Yes, switching on to the 5 minutes, we get to see how the price is moving. The lunch hour, this is the new addition that I added. This is the New York lunch hour. Yes, the new addition that I added is significantly tell us what the price is likely to do on the following day. Yes, it will significantly tell us what the price is most likely to do on the following day. So when the market was selling off, we came into this major fair value gap, the tap, and boom, we pushed to the upside. So what is happening on the Asian session? We see this sell-off on the Asian session, and yeah, the sell-off was one of a kind, and yeah, the market was selling off. Okay, we see the sell-off. We don't have anything to clearly tell us why the sell-off was occurring, but it may be because of the previous day on the New York session from other account for those established from this area. Before we continue, let me explain what happened yesterday. So what happened yesterday is, yeah, so explaining is that I'm looking for the textbook buys and the market comes to this level. So first of all, I missed this buy, the first initial buy that I was anticipating on the pre-London. Yeah, I missed this buy, and I don't know, it was just, I just missed it. There's nothing, I don't know how I can explain it. I just missed it. So I took a sell here. 16 was 16. Yeah, I took a sell off in this position here. In this level here, I took a sell. And as you know, I never hold the position fully. I got off this point, 3 pips. Market continued giving out 9 pips. My worry was we may get a reversal from this, quick reversal from these levels. But I'll work on that. I'm working on that. So the market came again, took out the sell-side liquidity, the Asian sell-side liquidity, the beautiful purge to the downside, and as I was explaining, the market, wow. I literally explained this move, but I never took this move. There was a lot going in my mind. I mean, but now I know what I'm going to do. For me, there was an orange entry that was created over this area, but for me it was not 10 pips. And there's one thing that is in my journal: if it is not 10 pips, don't take it. Now I'll need to adjust my journal. If it is at least 7 or 8 pips or 6 pips, so just take the trade. Just take the trade. As the yesterday's trading psychology that I encountered yesterday is, you only need focus. Your focus needs to be on executing every single trade your edge produces, irrespective of the outcome. If I would have read this one before I came into the market during the London session yesterday, I could have executed this. As long as it is above 5 pips, that means it is 6 pips. If it is 6 pips, 7 pips, and there was a clean traffic, man, there was a absolutely clean traffic. Oh dear. That was the move. Again, on the 50 minutes, there's a retest of this area. Let me just show you. Yeah, according to my strategy, there was a buy that was initiated here, but unfortunately we were inside something here, like yeah, here we go. There was this level here. There's this and there was this. See, this was invalid, but because we're still on this this supply had not yet been broken. Now when the market broke it broke this level, meaning what? We are having a clean traffic. Look at that clean traffic. Do you get what I'm saying? This supply was hindering us from taking our buys to the upside. It was invalid. Blue means invalid, and there was an invalid one here. And this supply, because of this supply, measuring it indeed told us, see, we are 7 pips. Also here, I couldn't have taken this buy over here, see, since we never broke the supply. And then the market rallied down, and then it came up. But when it broke this one, it's the market said, or the algorithm. Oh, we forgot Sammy. We forgot Sammy from the buys that we initiated during the London session. Oh, let's go back for him. Look at the taps. But where was Sammy? Sammy was not anywhere close enough to be seen. Why? Because it was the New York session. Look at this. It was New York session, so I don't trade New York session. The market came, the tap, look at those taps, man. It tapped, oh my, it tapped and then continued moving out. Eventually giving out. Let's see. Let's have a look at this. Eventually giving out. 30 pips. Oh, this is sad. Oh, bitterness. I mean, I was so tired. I cannot trade London session and New York session at the same time. So that was yesterday. So today, let's watch at what this market is likely to do. So today, what I'm expecting is the textbook buys, the takeout of the Asian sell side. This is a textbook. Maybe we can enter the New York low where we may have a support. Yeah, push to the upside. We will not know since the Asian sell side is still forming. The sell side is still forming. It's not until the Frankfurt Open that's when we are going to have our sell side liquidity formed. If the market continue pushing, I'm going to adjust the sell side liquidity accordingly. Yeah, and for my buys, another textbook is the taking out of the buy side liquidity, and the market does something like that. Those are the textbook position, the buy and the sell position. So as for me, we are off from the textbook, but as for me, what am I seeing? I'm seeing support at this level. At this level, I'm seeing support. This area is telling me that we're having support. What else am I seeing? I'm seeing that for this market, we're having support also from this OB over here. And this is an old order block. It has been tested not once, twice, three times, thrice, four times. And the market, it is not having the ability to hold the market up. So with the break of this, it will not tell me that the market will have a sell-off. The break of this order block, it will not tell me the market will have a sell-off. Why? We still have, let me adjust this one accordingly. We still have this level over here, this order block over here. We may get a retest of this order block over here. So the market, it may continue pushing down and break these levels and may come and get support from this area. This is what I'm seeing, and that coincides with our textbooks. Sell side liquidity, grab of the liquidity. We see that. So I will wait for the market to tell me what it's going to do at this particular point. Also, we see if the market does not continue pushing down and maybe consolidate here for a certain level, with the break of this supply over here and this supply over here, meaning the buyers, it will mean that the buyers mean business. So I'm willing to take longs to continue the push up, and today I'll be observing if it gives me more than 5.0 pips, I'm going to take the trade. I will willingly take the trade and where my strategy play out. See, that is a beautiful move. That's a beautiful move to the upside, but we need the break of this supply, meaning the buyers needs to have a strong momentum to push the market up. We see here this OB has been entered, meaning that it is losing its value. So these are my buys from this position, and my sells from this position. I'm not willing to sell from this position. If we have something like this OB over here is taken out and the New York low is taken out and this order block has been taken out, then I'll be willing to wait for the retest of this market here to take the push down. But as that is happening, I'm willing to buy this. I'm willing to buy that, and I'm willing to sell this. Yeah, we need something like that to happen, just like on Monday. Just like on Monday. On Monday we had a take out. There's a OB over here. It was taken out, and here, yes, there's an OB that was formed here during the pre-London at the Frankfurt Open, and it was taken out, and the market came back to test this level, and I never managed to take this trade because of the power supply. There was no electricity, unfortunately. So the video is long, but yeah, this video is for me. That's all for today, and for the record time of 24 minutes, I'm going to leave you guys. And also, don't break your own rules, for goodness sake. It is your own rules. For me, I'll wait for this 1, 2, 3 to play out. 1, 2, 3. These steps to play out in order for me to take an edge. With that, have a beautiful day ahead. Bless.